So the next thing we might want to try is to add a collectible. So I'm going to go down to the bottom here and choose a sprite. And I'm going to choose an apple. Alright, but I don't want the apple on this level, I want it on the other level. So if we go to backdrops and click the blue one, you can see the apple is on this level here. It's slightly too big to fit in our maze, so we can change the size. And then we have to code the apple. So because the apple appears on level 2, we don't want it to appear when we start our game. So as part of the apple code, so we've clicked on apple as our sprite, when start is clicked, we want to go to the looks commands, select hide, and then when start is clicked, we want the apple hidden. So let's test that. Cool, so that's our level 1 and our apple is hidden. But we want it to appear on level 2, so when the backdrop switches to level 2, we can show the apple and we can set its position. So just go to level 2 just to check it, and we can test it. And our apple appears. Now in order to make it a collectible, when we touch the apple, we want it to disappear to suggest that we've picked it up. So to do that, we want it to sense when it hits our character. So if you go sensing, we select this touching block, and when it touches our character, we want to use our hide command again. Now we're going to use the if then command to perform this. So if the apple is touching Lewis, then we hide the apple. Okay, and you can see that there's another block here that's required to complete the jigsaw. And we want to repeat this, so we're going to use a forever loop, which means we're going to constantly test if they're touching. And you can see that there's a little block here that's required to complete it. So we're going to add it to the bottom here when the backdrop switches. Now let's test. Cool, and it works.